Kum Shibenta ban Khanglat eka jing syak nyot ben ki pajba nong lit nang wan ki pa penong kam ban lit ki rapido hapok kanong ba Shillong naga jing sya o dor he hakinong nia rapido ki bayang hamot pran khandai lat pat ki ki jaka klami ke jing kentu na ka sarkar ba ki pajba ki de ban ujor chaka sarkar halor kani ka benta la kren do menteri sarkar pade pej ek tanat transport ba snyo balang dhar belakin tui ki pajba pelada don ki bashim dor palat put ki de ban ai ga jing ujor shong menteri khnang ban pin sitam yakum kita ki brio ki bashim tam ya ga dor kat kum ga jing sham na ga jing ethu ki pajba kini ki nong nya rapido ki bayang ha ki babon ki jaka bat kham tam e ha ki por jan mit ki ju o da ka dor ka behe bat kane kalakta shikadai e ki baduk ki basuk kane kalawan hadien ba ka kenhon ki nong nya rapido ki la lej pani kendo yoba snyo bolang bat it ka dor khas chu da ka jing kerpat baka sarkar jela kan itho no ikinong nia rapido daga bakan ai daga permit bakin kamai no khnang bakan umlong be ansho pa nakaliang menteri sarkar la pentep unsara ikini shaka jingelang kenhon menteri sarkar halor ka dor khas jong ka kenhon kinong nia rapido ba asnyo balang dhar la pentep bakani regasin ka beningkong buyo jingtep pa nakaliang jong ka sarkar kan chim khyai kini ban penyo permit yaki khnang baka sarkar ru kan yo khajna nakini ki bakamai rapido
department can let you
no. We have to ask per complaint matter. Lodge complaint, we'll take action. Simple. Mami, we talk ngai kini. Kung kita nantangin dulu rights lagi, find the complaint which is not convenient by the not some complaint. We take apa asal department.
Di pihak menteri itu mah keiga outcome jaga jilang ke jopi berkikin menyar itu.
Not outcome. They just submit me representation me. They request me to give them permit and that's what I will do. I will make them legal. As soon as they are illegal.
Kini kiba so kamai offline betul.
No, that is their duty. My duty is to give first the permit and document, and then I'll see if there is any complaint from the public. That is a normal process.
Boleh ada minta tempat yo kuno ga.
No, that I have to pass in the cabinet. No, I have to pass. Okay, we'll make them register, we'll give them permit. Only then what are the online it's up to them. Yeah, if it affects the people of the state and if somebody complains, I'll take action against that complaint.
Kiki action prinsip ra don ki bawjor.
Don't expect I'll take action. Hope things will be in order everything.
Long kumbabon nagi pajba la ud hi kani ka jing overshot ka joki
No problem. If I come receive the complaint, I will call meeting. How I call meeting around the complaint.
Masalah permit ki
No, yet to decide in the cabinet. There will be a proper table how to implement the fees.
by charge.
Obviously, that will put that full transport. First, we'll pass in the cabinet. We'll make them legal, and then we'll put the fees annually or whatever it may be, and then the process how to move in the city. So there is a guideline to guide them properly.
He suggests as of now, but
I didn't suggest anything. Let me make them legal first, and then I will come with the rules and regulations.
So, are they allowed to just go illegally?
Just that's why I won't allow. Frankly speaking, illegally I won't allow.
Kumulong tak isu tax na kumulong.
That's why I'm yet to study fast. Today the report came from them. I have to see the report from my department.
So now since it's not legalized, like in long illegal in Kamai.
Don't worry. So the law will take action accordingly.
Can pretend it Kamai.
Don't worry. Since this thing come to my knowledge, we will do accordingly what we should do for the law.